Thinking about buying a Kauai vacation rental? If so, don't make it about the rental income. While Kauai vacation rentals can generate some income, it's rarely enough to make the property a lucrative investment on its own. Operating costs like maintenance, management fees, property taxes, and insurance quickly eat into profits. For most owners, rental income helps offset costs, but it doesn't produce significant profits. The real value of a Kauai vacation rental is personal. This is a lifestyle investment, and oftentimes these are buyers who want to make Kauai a little bit more a part of their life. They want their own place, which is about creating unforgettable experiences, not just about crunching the numbers. Kauai real estate is highly desirable and can appreciate over time, offering long-term financial value rather than immediate gains. But more importantly, the lifestyle it offers is priceless. Buyers often see their purchase as an investment in their happiness and quality of life rather than a short-term profit generator. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to whatever channel that you're watching this on, and let me know if you have any questions. Aloha.